Hi, welcome to the edition number 2. I guess that's pretty sweet. So I think me and my friends are probably just gonna do a small little skit because I think that's pretty sweet. Let's see. I don't know where we're gonna start off in this whole little thing, but yeah, we're just gonna I don't know, swing it or whatever, do it, whatever. Okay, so yeah, I have to go to the bathroom. Yeah, you do that. Go to the bathroom. Look, I have a wig. Yo, 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 yo. Oh, yeah. Okay, so basically my life is, I guess, going okay. Not fantabulous or anything, but yeah, it's okay. Let's see. This is my chain. I love it a lot. Yeah. So, I guess we're just gonna sit here and talk about my fabulous life. Yeah, so, okay, I guess we're just gonna put on the skit now, because I have nothing really good to talk about, except for my crush, but I can't tell you my crush and everything, so, yeah. Here's the skit. I don't know what it's called. It's just funny. I guess it's called Going Through Changes. I guess that'd be a good one. Okay. So, yeah. So here we go. What are you doing in there? I'm gonna try to hurt you. No, stop it. Stop it. I'm gonna try to hurt you. I'll give you a cookie. No, wait. Alyssa, it is late. We are trying to sleep, Alyssa. I told you to get into bed. Okay. What are you doing? Skit.